Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Trading Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today looking at Fulgent Genetics, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Here's the chart for Fulgent. The ticker symbol is FLGT. We're on a 4-hour 180-day chart here, and as you can see, they were kind of just trucking along here until end of the year. They had this huge move from below $50 up to almost $190, and now they've started to pull back, now down around $90. So you're probably wondering, what does this company do? And they're a pharmaceutical company, obviously, and they pivoted recently to making test kits, or I guess tests for coronavirus. So if we look back to the August earnings report, they did about 19 cents per share. The next earnings report in November, it was $2, and most recently in March, it was over $6 a share. So they've been doing very well with these test kits, and it's really cool to see a company that could pivot so quickly. Less than a year ago, they had never made a coronavirus test. They saw the opportunity, they pivoted, and they've executed really well. I don't know if you guys know or have anyone who's had to get tested, but it can take a long time in a lot of these scenarios. Friends that I know, friends and family, they've waited 3, 4, 5, sometimes a week or more to get test results. And one thing I read about Fulgent is they have returned 100% of test results basically within a 24-hour window. They haven't lost a single test yet. So they're executing phenomenally after pivoting very quickly to essentially a new business model, and it's showing in their revenue. So the question is, how long is this revenue going to last after the coronavirus calms down? What else do they do? And they have a lot of other products. I think the real thing here is that this is a company that executes well what they do, and they make tests for all types of influenza and all types of other diseases that have 500 million tests a year, that kind of thing. I'm not going to get into fundamentals too much. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a backstory about what this company does. But let's look at the chart here. So as I said, trucking along around $50 until the end of the year or so. They have a couple very solid earnings reports leading up to this most recent one that was just spectacular, just crushing even ridiculous estimates, and their guidance for the future is pretty stellar. But they've had a run up, people took notice, and now they're starting to come down and get a little bit cheaper. And as you can see, I have my downtrend line here. They've been testing it throughout March and into the beginning of April, breaking through a little bit, and finally now starting to work sideways through this trend line as opposed to down. They still might come all the way down here to this support level at 72.65 and test it, but for me, I'm going to be keeping my eye on this stock. If they can break above this 109 level again, that's probably where I'll set my alert. I'm definitely going to get involved at that point. But just incredible revenue, incredible growth, and people are aware of this company now. So when it starts to turn back up, I think it could make another similar move. I mean, this valuation doesn't make any sense. This is just way too high, and as you can see, it fell pretty quickly. But once you hit that, it's got the legs to go higher. People have seen it happen before. It can happen again. So if you've watched my videos in the past, I love to see big moves off the downtrend from an all-time high, and so that's what I'm going to look for on this one. As soon as we can confirm some upside, I might even set my alert here around 104. But this is just a great company that's executed very well after pivoting very quickly to a new business model, and the revenue speaks for itself. So as soon as this trend starts working up instead of sideways, I'm not going to hesitate to get involved on this one. So I just wanted to put that out there. This is one that I'm just recently come to my attention, and I wanted to let you guys know about it as well. Fulgent Genetics breaking the downtrend from this all-time high with stellar earnings report. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I make new videos every single day. If you like my analysis and you want to see more of my videos, you might check out my second channel, Trends for Tesla, where I look at Tesla's chart every single day and give updated analysis on their chart as well. Please let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.